Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best electric banjo is probably one of the most unique instruments you can find. It blends the twangy charm of a banjo with the modern convenience of electricity. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of electric banjos, exploring their features, sound, and what makes them stand out. Whether you're a seasoned musician or just starting out, you're in the right place to discover your next musical adventure. Number 5. MIFOGE 45 PCS Guitar Repairing Tool Kit. This kit includes 45 essential tools for guitar maintenance and repair. It's designed for acoustic, electric guitars, ukuleles, bass, and banjos. It's the perfect gift for any music enthusiast. The kit includes fret crowning files, radius gauges, Allen wrenches, bridge pins, and more. It also comes with a string winder, cutting pliers, and a feeler gauge. These tools cover a wide range of repair needs. You can use this kit to change strings, set the tone, and adjust the action. It's also suitable for cleaning, maintaining, and repairing string instruments. It is a versatile tool for musicians. It's suitable for luthiers, string instrument users, and DIY enthusiasts. The compact carrying case makes it easy to transport and store. It is ideal for beginners and professionals alike. This kit is designed to help you with common guitar repairs and adjustments. It includes some of the most useful and sought-after tools. This kit has everything you need to keep your instruments in top condition. What we like. This kit is a must-have for any string instrument enthusiast. It includes a wide array of tools for maintenance and repair. If you are a beginner or a seasoned luthier, this set has everything you need to keep your instruments in top condition. You should consider this if you want a complete solution for all your instrument care needs. What people say. My spouse really likes the guitar repair tools. Decent entry-level kit for the DIY type. It is just what I needed to keep the guitars in my choir fit. Number 4. MIFOGE Guitar Repairing Tools Kit with Carry Bag. This kit includes 25 essential tools for guitar maintenance and repair. It's designed to help you with various adjustments and keep your instrument in top condition. The kit is suitable for acoustic and electric guitars, bass, ukulele, banjo, and more. It's a versatile solution for all your stringed instrument needs. The tools allow you to change strings, set tone, adjust action, and check string height. It's everything you need for cleaning, maintaining, and repairing your instrument. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned musician, this kit is a must-have. It's a great gift and a convenient way to keep your instrument in top shape. The included carry bag makes it easy to take the tools with you. It's a compact and convenient toolkit for musicians on the go. What we like. This kit is designed for precision and convenience. It comes with a variety of tools to measure and adjust your instrument. If you are looking for a compact and portable solution for your instrument maintenance, this kit is perfect for you. You should consider this if you need a comprehensive set of tools in a small package. What people say. The action ruler is very beneficial and can help you with string height and pickup height. Also included is a small steel ruler which has nice, clear numbers printed on them. Next is the rocker level, which was the thing I was looking forward to most. Number 3. Sondery Guitar Hanger Wall Mount, 2-pack. This guitar hanger is designed for all walls. It's easy to mount on brick, drywall, or wood surfaces. The unique push and turn design makes installation quick and simple. This hook holder accommodates all headstock types. It works universally with acoustic, electric, and bass guitars, as well as ukuleles, banjos, and mandolins. It's a versatile solution for your instruments. The Sondery wall mount features an auto grip system. It quickly locks when your instrument is placed in the device. This provides safety and prevents the instrument from falling. With the instrument hanging on the wall, it's always in sight and ready to play. This accessibility encourages you to play more often than when it's stored away. The solid black wood base adds a decorative touch to any room. It keeps your instrument safe and accessible, making it a great addition to your space. What we like. This wall mount is designed for easy access and security. It features an auto-lock system to keep your instrument safe. If you like having your instrument readily available and want to encourage more playing time, you should consider this. It's perfect for displaying your instrument while keeping it secure. What people say. The banjo has a great sound. The neck is straight and the action is good. The tuners work well. Number 2. Vangoa 5-string acoustic electric banjo. This versatile banjo can be plugged into an amplifier, allowing you to control the volume. It maintains its acoustic tone, making it perfect for practice and stage performances. You'll have freedom of movement with easy volume control. The premium mahogany body provides a sweet, full sound, while the closed-back design projects a louder tone. The acoustic electric feature helps create your perfect musical style. The resonator is removable, making it suitable for various music genres. The quality Remo head delivers a crisp, bright sound with a good snap. It ensures a stable bridge and clear note distinction during fast fingerpicking. A hidden piezo pickup captures clear and smooth music. The geared 5th tuner with white jade pegs makes tuning smooth and durable. A built-in truss rod allows for easy string height adjustment, ensuring a comfortable playing experience. The 24 brackets and pre-tuned Remo head provide stable performance. Everything you need to start is included, such as a starter manual and useful kits. We aim to provide quality products and sincere service. Feel free to contact us with any questions, and rest assured you'll receive the best care. What we like. This banjo offers the best of both worlds with its acoustic electric capabilities. It allows you to control the volume while maintaining its acoustic tone. If you are looking for a banjo that can handle both stage performances and practice sessions, you should consider this. It's perfect for musicians who need flexibility in their sound. What people say. It has a rounded, polished, wooden back which is removable if you like a more open sound for certain styles of music. It has pearl-like pegs, an ebony neck, and the body itself is very solid with added aesthetic details that contribute to its expensive look. Another added bonus for the price is the ability to plug this banjo into an amp. Number 1. PYLE-PRO PBJ 65-string banjo. This banjo boasts a rich wood and high-gloss finish, complemented by white jade tuner pegs and chrome hardware. Crafted with a mahogany neck and rosewood fingerboard, it's designed to look as good as it sounds. Experience the classic tones of a traditional 5-string banjo. It's perfect for country, folk, bluegrass, and even some modern rock. You'll love the vibrant singing tone it provides. This banjo includes a geared 5th tuner, an important feature for both tuning and playability. This premium upgrade is usually found on more expensive instruments, making it a great value. It's full-scale and lightweight, making it ideal for travel, camping, or taking to the beach. Whether you're a pro, a weekend player, or a beginner, you can start playing your favorite songs right away. Styled after early 20th century models, this banjo is a true player. It exudes a classic style and provides a vibrant singing banjo tone in any situation. You will love it. What we like. This banjo brings you the classic tones of a traditional 5-string banjo. It is crafted with premium materials and features a geared 5th tuner for precise tuning. If you like a banjo with a rich sound and classic design, you should consider this. It's perfect for those who appreciate traditional craftsmanship and quality sound. What people say. It seems to be of better quality than those I have purchased in the past. It makes a wonderful sound. The rim is layered wood. I thought it might be aluminum because of the price, so that was a pleasant surprise. The sound is good, the bridge is easy to install, the neck is a good width, and the strings are easy on the fingers and give a clear tone. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.